This is Don. Yeah, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be unveiling the daily combo cards. Without no further delay, let's dive into the video. We are going to click on the daily combo card here, and our first card is going to be Hamster Tube under PR and Team. Hamster Tube. These are our first card right here. Our first card. This is it. Hamster Tube. Hamster Tube. That's our first card today. So our second card is going to be under special, which is fight under new cards. Under special, fight. That's our second card here. So our third card is going to be long skills under special also. It's under new card because I haven't collected long skills. That's our third card right here. So it sent me to invite 9 friends, but currently I only have 5 friends. So it's mean 4. So that's why I'm not collecting to this card, because I don't want to waste my coin card. So see you in the next video. Peace out.